Tecoma stands, commonly called yellow elder trees or yellow bells, produce such beautiful flowers. Let's grow some of the seeds. If you look closely at a tree or bush that has already flowered, you can find the long, dangly seed pods. Of course, you can buy these seeds online, but fresh is always best. When the seed pods turn brown, they will burst open, indicating that the seeds inside are mature. Gently open up the seed pod and remove the seeds that are encased in a thin, papery wing. The seeds are pretty small, and you do not need to remove the seed wings to germinate them. I got 30 seeds from one seed pod. There are 10 seeds in the 3 starter containers that's filled with pre-moistened regular potting soil, and I'm going to cover them with a thin layer of soil. And moisten the top level. And I'll be keeping these seeds above 75 degrees Fahrenheit, about 24 degrees Celsius. And I suggest keeping your starter containers in a closed bag of some sort to help maintain soil moisture and to keep a high humidity level. Yellow elder 1 week update, and 3 of the 10 seeds have germinated. Why one pot has 3 and the other pots has 0, I have no idea, but that's the way it goes apparently. 2 week update, and we have 3 nice seedlings, and for some strange reasons the seeds in this container sprouted and the seeds in these other containers did not. 3 week update, and everything is about the same. The 3 that sprouted are doing well. Nothing else has come up. So it was my experience that you can expect about 1 out of 3 seeds germinating, about a 33% success rate. The seeds germinate quickly or will not germinate at all. Please support my channel by ticking that like button, leaving a comment, and of course subscribing to my channel. Happy seed growing, everybody. Click on the playlist tab for videos grouped by subject. See ya!